Imagine your drilling operations running at peak performance, consistently and efficiently, anywhere in the world. Rigline 24/7 Remote Operations Center partners with you to provide unparalleled global support to scale and replicate your success. With remote centers in key locations like the US, Saudi Arabia, and Indonesia, we deliver round-the-clock support, ensuring your operations always run smoothly with cutting-edge technology and optimized automation performance tools. Our experts are at the heart of this offering, collaborating closely with you to craft tailored solutions. These solutions support, identify, and troubleshoot rig equipment, technology upgrades, or issues in real time, ensuring you're always ahead of the curve. This innovative approach minimizes the need for dispatching field technicians, reducing the risk of road injuries, lowering Scope 2 emissions, cutting operational costs, and minimizing downtime. Our performance pods are manned by dedicated account-based support personnel with extensive field experience who ensure consistency and accuracy in your drilling operations and can support multiple rigs simultaneously. By embracing automated drilling performance tools, we are here to help troubleshoot, enhance, and scale your drilling operations. With Rigline 24/7 Remote Operations Centers, experience next-level support and innovation to elevate your operations.